How to change your email on Roku. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change your email on Roku. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Roku.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Roku. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And once signed in order to change your email on Roku, tap on the profile icon you see on top of your screen and further tap on the drop-down menu that appears. Now, tap on the account option you see there and under My Account tab, tap on the Update button right under the Account Information tab. You will then be led to your personal information page. Tap on the email text box and erase your current email and then re-enter your new email in the Verify Email text box. Further, enter your Roku account password in the current password text box and finally tap on the Save Changes button, and with this the changes you made will be saved. So this is how you can change your email on Roku. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.